Hello everyone, this is Chris Surface here with SDI course FTT 214, the hand checkering lab. We're going to go ahead and start unboxing this. I already opened it up so to make it a little easier. We're going to make sure that everything's in here so it'd be in here. We have our checkering tool with the replaceable heads. We have our 18 line per inch cutter and a 90-degree cutter. I think that's all in that one. We have our wood stock blank, which we will do a little bit of work to this here in just a minute. We have our checkering gauge, which is located inside this packet here. Here's our checkering gauge. And then we have our hand checkering lab book. All right, for this bit, I'm going to go ahead and take a little bit of this off right here on top. I'm going to kind of round it just a little bit, just to kind of get it familiar with the wood. I'm going to take some files, rasps, and some sandpaper, and by the time I get done, I'm going to turn it into about a 400 grit finish right here in this general spot. First off, I'm going to go ahead and start with this rasp here. I'm going to see if I can rough it up a little bit. Okay, I got that kind of roughed up. I'm going to go ahead and hit it with a file too. All right, now I'm going to use a little bit finer file and see if I can smooth it out a little bit more. You can already start to feel the difference compared to that. Now I'm going to hit it with some 180 grit sandpaper and the sanding block. All right, now we're finally going to go ahead and hit it with some 400 grit in my sanding block here and see how smooth we can get it. All right, I get it all sanded down to 400 grit, and went ahead and blew the dust off with some air, and you can actually see the difference, but it completely feels different between the rough cut here and right here where I finished it up.